Hey, Chris Whitehurst, Berkshire Hathaway-RW Towne Real Estate, and this is the terms, tips, and tricks for real estate. Usually I do this in my home studio, but I wanted to do it specifically on location today to talk about an area that I'm really passionate about. Anytime we're in a real estate transaction, we can, as agents, really make the house look great through pictures. It's not until we get into the inspection process that sometimes things show up that nobody was even aware of, particularly underneath of the house, home inspection, septic systems, all sorts of things can go wrong. One of the things that I love to make sure my clients are doing is having those home inspections done up front. It allows you to control the narrative. It also makes sure that all the potential tension points between you and a buyer when it comes up in the middle of the real estate transaction, that's the hand grenade that's going off in the middle of the deal that makes things fall apart. I think it's really important to get those home inspections done up front. If you want more information about how we can set that up for you, get in touch with me, 252-312-2263. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.